Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying basics. Check the YouTube app or browser version and your device OS, because outdated builds often break the mini player. Once updated, force close the app or restart the browser tab to clear cache state. Open a single video and attempt to minimize it now. This reproduces the problem so you can test fixes. Make sure to note whether the mini player appears, freezes, or hides, because that difference directs the next specific fix. Next, clear local state. In apps, use clear cache or clear storage. In browsers, remove site data and cookies for YouTube. Then sign back in. Once done, disable extensions or background utilities that add overlays, ad blockers, or script blockers. These frequently interfere with the mini player. Also try switching networks from Wi-Fi to mobile data to test for proxy or DNS interference. If the mini player returns after one of these actions, that item is likely the culprit. To finish, reinstall the YouTube app or reset browser settings to default. This removes lingering corrupt files or misconfigurations. Once complete, test the mini player on another device or with a different account to determine whether the problem is device-specific or account-specific. If it still fails, record the behavior, include steps, device model, app version, and a short screen capture, so you can submit a clear bug report. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.